Are you experiencing issues with Safari where the websites aren't loading properly, or you're having other issues? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache files in Safari on your iPhone so you can resolve those problems. Open the settings on your iPhone and now go down to the bottom of the page until you see this Apps section. That's going to open a list of applications which we have installed on our iPhone, so let's go down a bit and then open Safari right here. There are two ways on how we can clear the cache files, and the first one is to go down until you find this Advanced section at the bottom, and that will show us the cookies and the cache files which we have on our phone, and you can delete them by swiping over a website and then hit Delete. You can delete specific websites this way one by one, or you can delete them all at once by clicking on this Remove All Website Data option. Let's now get back to the Safari settings and see the other solution to this. Locate this Clear History and Website Data option, and what this will essentially do is it will remove your browsing history, cookies, and cached data. This means websites will no longer remember your past visits, and you'll be logged out of accounts that rely on cookies. It also clears stored files that can slow down Safari, helping improve speed and performance. However, this won't delete saved passwords or autofill information unless you remove them separately from your settings. So tap on this button and it will essentially clear the cache files on Safari on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful and you want more similar tutorials like this one, then make sure to subscribe to Tutor and I'll see you soon.